Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to do half swipe on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to do a half swipe on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to do a half swipe. From over here guys, in order to proceed, at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of icons, and there is the messaging or the text icon on the left side. Tap on that messaging or the text icon, and from this page over here guys, you need to know a thing, that is, in order to do a half swipe, you'll be just required to tap on the profile picture at the left side and swipe that to the right like this. If you do it incorrectly, your maps might open or another function might open, or if you tap and hold on the chat box or the profile picture too much, this kind of menu will appear. So to do it perfectly, just tap on it and swipe to the right, and you can see guys, this is a half swipe on Snapchat. And there guys, this is how to half swipe on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.